When claims get delayed or denied, the usual reaction is to look at billing or missing documents. Pero ito ang realidad. Before a claim even reaches the billing team, dumadaan muna ito sa doktor. Doctors don't just make clinical decisions. Every diagnosis, every order, and every progress note already affects whether a claim will be approved, delayed, or denied. Claim success does not start in the billing office. Nagsisimula ito sa medical decision-making at documentation ng doctors. And this is why doctors play a critical role in protecting or sometimes unintentionally putting at risk hospital claims revenue. Doctors influence claims outcomes in several key areas. First is accurate diagnosis and clear justification for admission. Kung hindi malinaw kung bakit na-admit ang pasyente, mahina agad ang claim. Second is consistent and logical progress notes. Daily notes should clearly explain why treatment continues and why the level of care is necessary. Third is proper documentation of procedures, management, and outcomes. Sa claims, simple lang ang rule, what is not documented is treated as not done. And fourth is alignment at discharge. The final diagnosis, procedures, and outcome must match the entire clinical course. Kapag hindi tugma ang clinical story, dun nagsisimula ang claims issues. Most claims problems involving doctors are not intentional. Madalas, ang dahilan ay incomplete documentation, vague entries, or copy-paste notes. Small habits make a big difference. Clear admission notes, daily progress that explains why care continues. Specific documentation of complications, comorbidities, and response to treatment. These actions help prevent claims rejection, claims return, claims denial. Hindi ito tungkol sa haba ng sinusulat. It's about clarity, consistency, and clinical logic. When doctors document the clinical story properly, claims become easier to defend and payments move faster. Doctors are not just clinical leaders, they are also key protectors of hospital revenue. When doctors document with awareness of claims impact, they support nurses, billers, and hospital management. Mas konti ang audit issues, mas mabilis ang payment, mas maayos ang overall system. Claims protection is not just a billing responsibility. Ito ay clinical leadership responsibility. In the next video, we'll focus on another critical group, the billing and claims team. Check out the next video to understand how billers and claims staff complete the hospital claims success cycle.